guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook cinnamon rolls. Karibuni. The ingredients of the day, as you can see, this is milk powder. We have some vinegar. I'll show you penye tutatumia. The main ingredients, cinnamon. Tuko na sukari hapa, margarine. This is dry yeast. Kidogo vanilla, tutatumia kidogo. Unga ya ngano, water, and some oil. We start with mixing the milk powder to mix na maji ndio at least ikue kama maziwa kidogo. Ongeza. We mix. If you have milk, the better. Sisi hapa tunatumia milk powder. And it's mostly ukimix na maji moto ndio inakuwa mzuri. So if you mix with cold water, you'll do a lot of work in the mixing. It's done already. So now we can start. We add our sugar in the flour. Siweke yote. Hivyo. After the sugar, we can add our yeast. This is dry yeast. Iko sawa. This one I have tested. Mix hiyo kwanza. Then now we can add our milk powder and water. We add our milk and mix. After everything is mixed together, sasa now we can add our water kidogo kidogo tu. Si add maji kama uko na mbio. Ongeza zingine. Ongeza. We are kneading our dough, as you can see. Ongeza mafuta. Tumeongeza mafuta kidogo. Iacha kukua sticky. At this point, ndio tutaadd our white vinegar. Vinegar inasaidia kufanya ikue puffy. So if you want your dough to be puffy, try kuongeza vinegar. The results will amaze you. We can now start making our cinnamon. So tumixie tu hapa kwa hii bowl ilikuwa na maziwa. you use brown sugar. For me, sina brown sugar, so I'm just going to use normal sugar. And then you add your cinnamon. You add your cinnamon according to vile unapenda. Depends with everyone's preference. So for sisi tunapenda cinnamon, so tumeweka mingi. So now we mix this as we continue making our dough. We are done with our dough. As you can see, si ngumu sana. So now we are going to cover it with some cling film and then tuiweke for 1 hour. For our baking tray, hatuna parchment paper, so we are just going to oil the baking tray and then tupake unga vile tunapikanga tu keki kawaida, then we go on. 1 hour is over. Sasa tunaona unga yetu imefura kidogo. As you can see, it's here. Iko sawa. Now we can proceed. Our unga is ready. We are now going to roll it and then we apply the cardamom and the butter. Then we go on. We've already prepared our baking tray, as you can see. I said I don't have the parchment paper, so we are going to prepared it the way tunaprepareanga tukitengeneza keki. So now we are rolling. Roll kidogo iteremke chini kidogo. Itashika chini. We are done with the kutengeneza dough. Sasa we apply the cardamom and butter plus sugar. So tunapaka tu round. We are done with applying the cinnamon. Now we roll it. Saidie. Natuko tumeka enough flour chini, ndio maana unaona it's a bit sticky, but iko sawa. You're done. Saidia kitu tukatekate. Now we cut them. It depends on how big you want them to be. So this is the size I want mine to be. Matubakisha ka space. Tako kunini. We already have preheated our oven at 180. Now for almost 10 minutes. Kama tuweke tatu nitoshe mpaka huko mwisho. This one, take a So we are done. Wacha tuende tuweke kwa oven. We are now here, as you can see. They are browning. Zimebaki tu kidogo tu. My cinnamon rolls are ready, as you can see. Zinakaa yummy. You can see. Ziko sawa, zimeiva vizuri. You people should try this recipe and then you come back mniambie vile zilienda. Thank you so much for watching. It's a wrap for now. Bye.